Hi, welcome to episode 4. In this episode we're going to cover the Rave Generator VST, which is a brilliant VST for making old school rave sounds, and we're going to add some booms and some effects to the track. Good. So, right, we've got our drum beats down, sounding tight. We've got our bass. One thing that would be quite cool is if we're going to go old school, we need rave stab. And what I tend to use, well, I don't tend to, what I'm going to tell you, if you don't already know, is I'll give you a link in the video, is a free VST called Rave Generator, which is absolutely amazing for those old school stabs and sounds. So we're going to use this. I would recommend that you get your own samples from your own CDs, records, and get more creative. But for speed, this will do. I've taken the MIDI from this Vengeance song, and I'm going to stick that MIDI with that stab sound and see what it sounds like. Let's go for it. Sounds old school, doesn't it? Sounds like the Prodigy, Your Love. Just going to reduce the volume on that. Nice dirty Reese. All that sound like drops down another octave. I'll do it on the second loop just to find out. That's pretty cool, yeah, we like that octave. Sounds good with that Too Bad Mouse break. Proper old school business. But now we'll have a switch around. Sounding pretty good though. We're just using the MIDI from this random track. We're not technically making any particular song, but sounds good. But it just shows no matter what genre that you're into, what you're making, you can just mash these ingredients, chuck them all in there together. Let's put some sub, but we won't have it all the way through there. It just sounds really, really nice. Just using the ingredients not as they were meant to be, but you're being creative with it. Right. I'm going to copy these and paste them over the other side. That's what we just did. You can add some crashes and whooshes, but you can hear how good the different techniques and the different styles sound. Now, I tend to make lots of different genres. I'm mostly known for making breakbeat stuff, but I actually make house, garage, drum and bass. I might engineer for other people. I might ghost produce for other people. Might produce my own stuff under an AKA. But if you like a variety of stuff, it's interesting. And even if you're only into your style, the techniques that you can use and introduce and bring into what you do will make your genre, or the music you make in your genre, sound much more creative. You probably get some ideas and, oh yeah, I could chuck that into what you're doing. Right. use the bass from the other side. On that piano, yeah. Now, where should we have this? Which has the massive thing. Cut that there, duplicate. Let's go and change that scissors back to arrow. Like I say, this isn't a track as such. It's just a weird thing to chuck everything together to show you what you can do, even if you're a beginner, you're just starting off, you've just got an interest in it, or you've been wanting to do it for a while but not knowing how to do it. Right. This. What we ought to do is tidy up that percussion as well on that. Let's get this bit. Copy that. What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to make a nice loop of all that. I'm going to go to Edit, select all in the loop, copy and paste. Right. One, two, three, 4. One thing that you definitely want to make sure that you do is make sure all your parts work in 4/4. Don't come up with odd bars with only 1 or 3, you'll just confuse people. Sounding quite nice. crashes in there sounding good. Right, these crashes, nice and simple, just a couple of beats apart, but it makes all the difference. So this random track that we've done, another cool thing that I think normally always sounds good with this is if you give it a little bit of a boom. Gonna make a mono channel for that. Alright. So on this channel now, I'm gonna chuck a boom in there. Always sounds good at a point in the track where the beats stop and there you go. Let's give it that. You have a piano break or something, your stab break. Like that. You don't want to use them too often in the track, just where the little gaps are like that. They make an impact, like when it comes out of a section. The reverse cymbal, the crash. Yeah, effective. Simple but effective. It's such an easy thing to do, and a lot of times I hear people making their tracks and they don't have those little things, and you think, why? Right. I think we've got a nice little basic structure now. We really want to tidy up the garage percussion. So let's get a section here. Looks like I might have actually done it already. Let's just check. Yeah, it looks like I've already done that. A bit of a Blue Peter moment, I've already cut that one out, that's handy. Thanks for watching the video, I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions and requests, I read all the comments and I will reply. Sound off down below. If you like what you see and you want to watch more, click the links now. If you want to sub for dubs, up in the top corner, and I'll see you in the next episode.